standing firm on prayer and Zakat. When the Prophet Muhammad passed away and Abu Bakr, Rضي الله عنه, was appointed as the Caliph after him, many Arab tribes turned back. Abu Bakr, Rضي الله عنه, decided to fight them. Umar, Rضي الله عنه, said to Abu Bakr, "On what basis will you fight the people when the Messenger of Allah said, 'I have been commanded to fight the people until they testify that there is no God but Allah'? Whoever testifies that there is no God but Allah, his life and wealth are protected from me, except by a rite of Islam. As for his deeds, their account is with Allah." Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu replied, "By Allah, I will fight those who differentiate between prayer and Zakat, for Zakat is the right upon wealth. By Allah, if they withhold even a rope or a young goat that they used to give to the Messenger of Allah, I will fight them for withholding it." Umar radiallahu anhu said, "When I reflected upon this, I realized that Allah had opened Abu Bakr's heart to fighting, and I then knew that he was upon the truth." Key message of the Hadith: Salah and Zakat cannot be separated. Obedience to Islam must be complete. Abu Bakr stood firmly upon the truth,